Get those likes up, ladies and gentlemen. What's going on, guys? Absolute carnage again. I feel like that's 3 streams in a row. We're just seeing absolute carnage. Hope everyone's doing all right out there, man. At the end of the day, guys, you guys are down a lot. Just remember that, you know, it is just money, okay? I know money runs the world, okay? I guess in theory, which I don't necessarily agree with, but just remember at the end of the day, it's just money, all right? It's life. You'll get through it, all right? Just want to make that first clear. But I hope everyone's having a fantastic day besides the market getting absolutely crushed. All right? What's going on, Keith? What's going on, Crane? I saw Clint in here. Clint's going back down to 1 pack of cigarettes a day to buy more dips. I love it, man. I love it. What's going on, man? All right, get you guys in a sec. Timer's ticking. What's going on? What's going on? What's going on? What's up, Tyler? What's up, Elliot? What's up? What's up, Dirt? Fahid said crap coins need to die. What's up, Tyler? What's up, Crypto Works? What's up, Gabriel? What's up, Mr. Hot? Fear and Greed gonna be a 5? You never know with the Fear and Greed, man. Sometimes it doesn't make any sense. Like, watch the Fear and Greed be like 15 today. Sometimes it makes absolutely no sense. Which, you know, it doesn't actually, a lot of times it doesn't actually measure the Fear and Greed because of other reasons. Oh, what's going on? What's up, Headphones? What's up, Arcane? Altcoin decimated.
Last
again.
Hit those likes. Let's get the party
Luna
started.
back down to $1. Whoever got in Luna at $1 yesterday, shout out to you, man. $1 to $8. You made a quick, some quick money if you got in and out right there. So, nice job, whoever got it on Luna. Hope everyone's doing all right, guys. Hope everyone's doing all right. Just, just remember, like we said, just remember, man. We're getting to historically times where it's been good times to buy. So, think about it in a positive way. I know it's hard to do that in times like this. But, we knew this was a possibility, right? We knew this was a possibility. So just remember, man. Just remember. What's up, GGOs? What up, what up, what up? What up, guys? We're gonna hop in here in just a sec. George and Doquan broke up. Hey, man, you gotta blame it on someone, right? Alright. See you guys in a sec. See you guys in a sec.
Jordan, get ready to eat the sock. I'm cooking it for you. I'm cooking it. It's almost ready. Jordan, 20K's coming. I'm telling you, the sock. It's coming. Get ready. Here it comes. It's almost ready, man. It'll be ready in like 10 minutes, okay? See you in a little bit. See ya.
Oh, God. Hold on, guys. Hold on. Hold on, man. Hold on. Sit's all jacked up. I don't like this, man. Yo! What's going on, everyone? Yes, we got the cutoff tee. It's a cutoff tee kind of day, guys. It's literally a cutoff tee kind of day. Java's cooking the sock for me. It's not good, man. It's not good. It's not looking good for BTC right now. But we'll talk about everything that we can talk about today and see what the heck is going on. Another day of absolute mass carnage. All coins down 20%, 30%, 40%. Another day. Luna back down to $1. Bitcoin broke 28K at one point today. Has retraced a little bit. What is going to happen next? What's going on, man? What's going on? At least making an edible sock, but wear it for the day. Hey, man. I'm eating the sock, all right? Hold on. Sir Dude said, can you imagine if it dropped to like 19.9K in 10 minutes? All right. Yes, I could imagine that, and that's probably what will happen, knowing my luck. All right. What's going on with BTC, though? So we dropped all the way back down to 27,700. We had pretty good volume coming in today. Again, and this is what we kind of want, right? We want to see that big capitulation volume to the downside, and we're seeing it again, right? Actually, 3 days in a row of big volume comparative to what we've seen for the last year, right? So we're seeing the big sell-off. Look at USDT. I got you, man. Look at USDT. Give me 2 seconds up. Buy Luna now. I'm not catching that falling knife, like I said yesterday. I hope everyone's doing well. I firstly want to say that, man, because I know a lot of people had a lot of money in Luna, right? And it's never good to see that, man, because a lot of people just lost like 99% of their investment. So, first of all, I mean, at the end of the day, guys, it's just money, okay? Money is important, yes, but should it be the basis of your overall happiness? No, it shouldn't. Okay, so try to separate your regular life with your financial life. I know that's hard to do sometimes. Sometimes I struggle with that myself, especially when it comes to investments. Right? Try to do that. Okay. At the end of the day, sorry for all the Luna holders. Sorry for people holding some of these other altcoins heavily too. Sucks. It's a sucky day for you guys. Okay, so let's jump on in. So what do we got going on? So big volume. What do we got going on? All right, now that I got back out of the way, I'm going to be my regular funny trolley self here, all right?
Everybody panic.
Now that I got that out of the way, okay? Back to being me. What's going on with BTC? We dropped to 27,700, all right.
Bitcoin's going to 10K.
Bitcoin's going to 10K. You got Jabba come out the woodwork. Bob's even coming out and trolling. I think Bob flipped as a bear now.
Oh my God! I'm bearish! I'm so bearish. I sold all my Shiba. I sold all my Doge. All my pussy. It's gone. I'm a bear. Bitcoin, go down. Go down. More ketchup. Oh, I see relish too. I see relish.
Right? Relish. All right, but anyways. Everyone and their mother's bearish, and including myself, and that's kind of the state of the market right now. Everyone's fearful, everyone's bearish, I think everyone's a little bit depressed, man. I think everyone's a little depressed based on the chat. Guys, I'm drinking some wine. What are you guys drinking today? It's one of those nights, man. You gotta have a drink, chill out, vibe, right? Give me that ketchup. Let's see what everyone's saying. But anyways, does Bitcoin have any hope of getting a short-term reversal back to the upside? Well, here's what we want to close on the daily. Before we go into the hourly chart, we want to get a close back above 29,800. If we can close above there, all is good. If we don't, well, we're looking at the lowest daily close that we've seen since January of 2021. So over a year and a half ago, the lowest daily close that we've gotten since all the way back there. So that would be a little shady. Now, we still have our bear flag target. We broke the downside. The target of that is still 24K. At one point, that seemed very, very, very unlikely, right? But now, I mean, we're almost there. We're almost there at this point. So what's 5K? It's like when we were at 34K a couple days ago. Like, what's 5K at this point? Really nothing, right? Really nothing. So do we have any hope of bouncing back to the upside? I'll say this, guys. We have some bullish divergence on multiple time frames. Kind of like I've been saying the last couple of days, though. When you're in a confirmed trend, like if you're getting absolutely hammered like you are today, like we are yesterday, like we were the day before, all right? A lot of these times, you got to take these with a slight grain of salt. So, but technically speaking, if we're just looking at the technicals, all right, strictly the technicals and not putting out, the sentiment and just the overall capitulation-like nature that we're seeing, all right, especially to altcoins. We have lower lows on the price action. We have higher lows coming in the RSI, right? I'm not getting, I don't think that we see a move up here. I said the same thing yesterday when we kind of had something similar. I'm not seeing us moving up right now. That's just my general, that's what my cojones are telling me. In the last couple of days, my cojones have been telling me we're going lower. And my cojones are still telling me we're going lower. I do not think that the dump is done, okay? So, like I said, I have a plan, right? I'll tell you guys my plan shortly here, where I'm putting most of my buy orders and where I'm planning on going. I know there's a lot of panic, man.
Everybody panic. We're going to 0. Bitcoin's going to 10K.
Bitcoin is buried.
Where's my guy Dale? Where's my guy Dale in the chat? But yeah, we have slight bullish divergence on the 1 hour as well. So, I mean, that's what the technicals are saying, but will it play out? All right? I mean, that's kind of what we're looking at. I don't think it does. I think we're going a little bit lower here if I had to guess, just based off where our daily close could close, right? If we close below 29.8, I think it's looking a little shady, and I think we're going at least down to test 27K, which 27K is the level I'm watching, guys, right? I'm watching 27K, right? I know there's some people out there that are watching a lot lower, right? You got our good friend here, the biggest channel in the interwebs. Look at his traps. He looks like Bob. I have been correctly calling the market since last fall, okay? So you guys need to continue to believe me. We are in a bear market, right? Continue to believe me. I have the sources. I've been completely correct on the timing of this market since last fall. I am so good at timing the market, guys. I didn't get the price right, but I get the time right. Continue to trust me. We are going lower, guys. The dump is not over, okay? It is not over one bit. Continue to trust me, all right? That's all I have to say. Now let me do a bench press. Fuck! TJ! TJ, help! Help! I'm trying to bench too much. Christ. TJ! Oh, man. You gotta laugh a little bit. What's going on, Nick? Hope you're doing good. All right. Anyways, now I got that out of the way. I don't think we're in a bull market. Drew. Drew, I know you're trolling, man, but that was funny. I didn't see it was you at first, and I was like, thanks, Captain Obvious. Who couldn't have told me that? All right, anyways. The 200 EMA, 200 weekly EMA. What are we kind of looking at here? So this is what I've been preaching, man. This is what I've been preaching the last, really, the last couple weeks since Bitcoin really started to dump here. That's where I'm putting my big buy orders in. That's where the golden buy zone. Okay, it's my golden buy zone. All right, it's TM. You don't steal the golden buy zone. That's me. All right, Ben? Don't be stealing the golden buy zone. 200 EMA and 200 SMA. All right, that's where I'm putting most of my buy orders. In between, once again, it's between 22K and 27K. Okay, could we go lower? Abso-freaking-lutely. I'll probably keep a little on the sidelines in case we go slightly lower than that. But that's where I'm putting most of my buy orders between those, because statistically speaking, and based off history, I know. For all the pencil necks in the chat, I know all the pencil necks are going to come in here and say, oh, Jordan, we're in a recession. You can't compare the previous price action to this. Bitcoin's never seen anything like 2008. Bitcoin's never seen anything like 2001. I know. I'm not a freaking idiot, okay? I can be, but I'm not an idiot on this subject, okay? I know. But if you look at previous price action, buying anywhere near the 200 EMA and 200 SMA has been the golden area to buy, and that's what I'm going to continue to do based off the information that we have on the past, okay? So stick it up your ass, pencil necks, because I know you're in here, all right, trolls? Stick it up your ass. I'm not going to call you low IQ, okay? I'm just going to tell you to stick up your ass, all right? That's it. That's it. Luna is a penny coin. No, it's still at $1, man. It's still a dollar coin. But yeah, historically, that's been the best time to buy at the 200 EMA, 200 SMA. Buy it in those areas, and that's what I'm going to be doing, all right? So, yeah, let me have another sip of wine here. That's beautiful, man. 41K, the best price in all the interwebs. In all the interwebs. I have a pen in my neck. There you go, real. All right, so, yeah, that's where I'm going to be scooping up most of my crypto. I actually didn't think we were going to go there this fast, and here we are, where, you know, less than $2,000 away from going below the 200 EMA. We're at least testing the 200 EMA. It's crazy. What's up, Dale? Dale said, but Jordan. What's up, Pumpy Pump? So deep. So deep. Guys, you think we're in a bear market? You think we're in a bear market or bull market? What do you think? What do you think? Drew thinks we're not in a bull market. I think we're in a bull market right now. Clint said, stop being a dick, golden buy boy. Golden buy boy. It's the golden buy zone, okay? TM'd by me. What's up, Hannibal? No, but anyways, besides that, that's what I'm gonna be buying. You also got the golden pocket coming in here, right around the 27K region. So you should have some support really up until about 26.6. We should have some support in this area. Now, knowing Bitcoin, well, you know how Bitcoin reacts sometimes. It can just do the opposite of everyone's thinking. You probably have a lot of people watching the 200 EMA, right? A lot of traders watching the 200 EMA, a lot of whales watching the 200 EMA. Will it hold, right? I mean, but in theory, based off where we have some previous support levels, based off where the golden pocket is from the bear market lows to the bull market highs, and where the 200 EMA is, there should be some support around the 27K region. If that breaks, well, you could see all hell break loose and us go straight to the 200 moving average, which is back down towards 22K. So those are the regions I'm watching. Bitcoin's slowly inching its way down. We got to watch the daily close. We're still, like, I guess technically holding the wick from June 21st of last year, right? Still technically holding the wick. I'm actually going to move this up slightly to the wick there. And that's kind of where we're at, right? We're technically trying to hold that wick at like 28.8. So we'll see if that breaks. What's up, Times? We need more crypto power? I don't know, man. I want to play the pump song. It's been so long. Was there any more FUD coming out this week? You never know, Scotty C. You never know. Guys, if you could smack up that like button, by the way. I know times are tough, right? But if you could smack up that like button, it does help out me. I know you guys don't care about me right now. You care about your portfolios. I get it. I totally get it, guys. But if you can do it, that'd be awesome. What's up, Times? We need more Crypto Rover. I don't know what crypto... Is Crypto Rover bullish or bearish today, guys? Let me know. Let me know. Let's go check out total market... Oh, God. That looks so bad. Look at total market cap on the weekly, man.
I told you guys to short since 69K. Look at total market cap. Sappy's right. Amazon Fractal, 6K. I told you, idiots. You guys are so low IQ. BitBoy's right. Look at all you low IQ idiots. Look at Keith Mullins. Look at Elliot. Look at Keith Covey. Look at them. Idiots. Idiot Moon Boys. Look at Drew. He keeps buying the dip like an idiot. Look at him. Look at Emil.
No, but total market cap is breaking below the weekly lows. So, yeah. I mean, that's kind of where we're at, right? I mean, we're breaking summer closes, right? We still have some wicks down here on total that we can try to hold as some support. I would say right here, previous high, previous low. Right about 1.112 trillion is the level we could watch. But as far as the close goes, we'll see where we close coming up on Sunday. We still got Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. We still got a bunch of levels to go. Crypto Coogan, who cares? Good to get rid of paper hands. Let's go. Yeah, I haven't got into that, Crypto Coogan. Thank you for stopping by, man. That's absolutely nuts. Thank you to Clint, too. You guys are nuts, man. You guys have been two of my biggest supporters since I started, so I appreciate you guys. What's up, Crypto Coogan? All right, so let me go back over here. It's a great point, man. I mean, I know I'm kind of ranting. At the end of the day, guys, I mean, I kind of said it when we were talking about the weekly time frame and where my golden buy zone is. I know it doesn't sound like it right now, okay? But these are the times you want to take advantage, and these are the times that are going to make you rich. Not when the freaking market is already at all-time highs, right? Let's go rewind a little bit. 80 to 90% of you guys probably got in at the top in 2021 or 2022. Okay, or I guess at all 2021. A lot of you guys probably got in 50K plus. okay, when you first got started on crypto, okay? Let's be honest. You guys probably got in Dogecoin when it was at 80 cents, this, that. Some coin got you in at all-time highs. That's not what makes you rich, okay? What makes you rich and what makes you not have to go to a 9 to 5 every day is buying during the times that absolutely suck when no one else wants to and everyone else is shitting their pants, crapping their pants, sharding all over Kmart, okay? Like I was years ago. Sharding all over Kmart back in like 2015, 2016. Sharding, all right? Those are the times that are going to make you the most money. Do not take advantage of, do not take for granted these times, okay? I know it sucks right now. I know you think Bitcoin can go to 10K, 5K, 3K, 2K. At the end of the day, these are the times to take advantage based off of history, okay? Make sure you guys are taking advantage of this. And this is not a dip at this point. This is just an absolute carnage, especially on altcoins. Don't get me wrong. Altcoins could go lower, okay? They absolutely could go lower. But based off where Bitcoin is statistically, when Bitcoin goes close to the 200 moving average, that has been the best time to buy. So make sure you're taking advantage there based off of history. That's what it comes back down to at this point. These are the times we want it, right? We said if Bitcoin was to dump, we wanted it. Here it is. Are you going to take advantage or are you going to freaking sit on the sidelines like you were in 2018, 2019, and 2020? Are you going to do it, man? Are you going to do it? Let me know. Let me know.
Rant alert.
Just spit out my drink. There you go, Alex. I should shard all over Kmart. Nice. This is a great time. Talk dirty. Talk dirty. You like when I talk dirty? I'm not talking dirty. I'm talking about sharding, man. If sharding gets you horny, I don't know. I don't know what to tell you, man. Let's see. Death Cross. In all seriousness, like that, I generally mean what I'm saying, guys. I generally mean what I'm saying. Based off the past. No one wants to buy right now. Okay? No one does. I bet everyone's like saying they want to buy, but I bet no one's comfortable doing it. No one's like, yes, I'm going to buy right now. Maybe Clint, because Clint's the homie, but that's about it. Maybe Drew, because Drew's the homie. Maybe Crypto Kungan, he's the homie. A lot of you guys are my homies, but you got the point, right? Holy moly, man. Holy moly. I'm just kind of ranting right now. You guys know where we're at. I mean... You can't, there's no short-term patterns. There's no hourly patterns. There's no 4-hour patterns. Okay? There's none of these freaking patterns we can look at. Okay? So let's throw these stupid patterns out the window. Right? Throw these stupid indicators out the window. Indicators do not matter right now. Okay? Indicators do not matter at freaking all. What matters is, are you going to take advantage when the prices are getting absolutely decimated? That's what it's coming back down to. There's no patterns. Okay? So... you came here for patterns. You came here for some silly, people like to say, oh, some Mario flag. Okay, well, the Mario flag played out. Okay, now we're just kind of waiting. We're kind of waiting and seeing. James said, I just bought. Nice, nice. So when it reverses, will the sharp become, wait, what? Will the sharp become, I lost it. Chat's moving too fast. No, the price is still too high. Waiting for bear flag to play out. Yeah, back down to 24K. 24K. 24K is my target. A lot of people like to take the bear flag like this, right? A lot of people like to do it like this, like a weirdo. They like to take it all the way from the high here, all the way to the low, and take it all the way down like this. Nah, man. First of all, that's not really how you do it. You got people saying this at 17K target. First of all, depends what you want to do. Like I wouldn't take it like that. I think that's a little bit stretching it out. I would take it from the actual move down, right? Just down like this. That's where I get 24K. But you know that's still in our range, right? That's still between the 200 EMA and the 200 MA, right? At the end of the day, it's what we're all waiting for. You know what's funny? We were all talking about this weeks ago, right? We said be prepared for any direction. Bitcoin's going to do whatever it wants to do. It's going to go any direction it wants, right? We can try to guess the market. We can try to do this and that and try to draw these triangles and wedges. At the end of the day, Bitcoin's going to do what it wants, right? And unfortunately, we got the downside. So now, right, this is why we have to be ready for both directions. Question is, who's locked and loaded and who's not locked and loaded? That's the question. What are you guys buying right on the dip? What are you guys buying on the dips? Okay, I told you guys I'm going to be sticking mostly right now to Bitcoin and ETH. Probably 90% of my DCAs will be Bitcoin and ETH. Probably 10% into other altcoins, at least at the moment. What are you guys buying right now? Let me know. Or if you're not buying, just like say, oh, I'm not buying yet. All right? And I don't mean that this be necessarily today. You could say what you're buying down. If you think it's going to go lower, what are you going to buy? What are you going to buy? Let me know in the chat. Maya just fell. No, she's good. Chronos, ETH, Matic. Okay, 8. Luna. A lot of people buying Luna. I would just be careful with Luna, guys. Like, I know you guys want to catch like the absolute low for Luna. Just be careful with that, man. I'm not buying Luna. You guys can do what you want to do. Just like I said yesterday, just like I said the day before, I'm not touching Luna with a 10-foot pull. All right? I wouldn't touch it with a 15-foot pull, 20-foot pull, 25-foot pull. But hey, if you want to take a stab at it as like some lottery ticket, go ahead. Do you. If it's a real bear market, we'll be down here grinding alts for months. True. Very, very true. Cash. Nice. All right. Besides that, man, look at how well this played out. Like, look at this chart, man. We had our crab range. Like, in reality, right? Holy crap, Kipko Kungan. You're nuts, man. That's absolutely insane, bro. That's absolutely insane, man. I appreciate that, and you said you've been here forever, man. That's awesome too. I can't thank you enough for that, man. But I'll get back to that. I'll read your super chat in a second, my man. Once I get to that, I just want to kind of finish this. Look at how well this played out, right? It's very, very simple shit. Like we're not taking like this market cipher. We took basically 2 ranges, right? There are 3 ranges. We had alts go nuts, crab range, rip range, right? As soon as we got a weekly close in the rip land, look at 1 week, bop, right to the bottom of the rip land. You can't make this stuff up, man. You can't make this stuff up. That's why I called it rip land, right? Yeah, absolutely decimated, right to the bottom. Unfortunately, I mean, in theory here, the next range could get pretty dicey, right? Because if we look at the total 3 market cap, there's really not much here, right? So that's why I say just be careful with altcoins. And altcoins right now, I'm kind of sticking away mostly for altcoins for this reason because, I mean, there's not much for alts, man. I mean, maybe you could make 350 billion right here, but after that, I mean, just saying, man. So just be careful with alts, bro. I mean, you could say the same thing for Bitcoin in reality. Right? But if we're being honest, Bitcoin's at least got its previous all-time high. But yeah, man, brutal stuff. The next range is afterlife. True. It's gonna rise from the ashes of the afterlife. Exactly, DJ. And yes, I am wearing a cutoff T-shirt right now. It's one of those days, man. I was gonna put on a hoodie because I wanted to be professional, but you know, does anyone care about professional right now? No. It's 2022. Get over it.
Rant alert.
What do you want me to do? Wear a tie? Is that going to make me look more professional? I'll tell you right now, just because someone wearing a tie does not mean they're smart. Bob could put on a tie. Okay? Would you think he's smart?
Nope.
Jabba could put on a tie. Would you think he's smart? Hold on. When will you buy? I've already started to buy a little bit, man. But yeah, 27K. 27K is my first big order, man. That's the first big order I got. And then I got a laddered in between, right? I mean, probably, I can't remember exactly, but 26, 27, 24. Why am I doing it like this? 27, 26, 25, 24, 23, 22, and so on. And so on. I think I have one at 20K just in case it wicks down to previous all-time highs. And then if it gets lower than that, I mean, that I'll just do it manually, man. Because if it gets that low, it's just going to be absolute carnage. So I'll probably just do those manually at that point. Tank top for BTC tanking. Buy when the drops. What tie fits around Bob's neck? I don't know. Tank top for BTC tanking. That's a good point, man. It's a good point. You guys want to take a look at Luna, though? Like, shout out to everyone. I will say this. There's a lot of people who bought, like, Luna below $1, at $1. Shout out to you if you got a quick little trade in there where you wrote it up. I mean, you probably didn't sell exactly at $8, but if you got out like 5, 6, 7, 8, somewhere in that range, you made it quick, like, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8x. So nice job if you got on that. But yeah, I hope you got out. I think you took profits on the way back down because it is coming back down, and in my opinion, it's gonna absolutely just smash these lows. I think Luna's going to absolute zero. I will say that again. I've said that for 2 days. So far, I've been correct. So, just be careful on Luna, man. I know a lot of people want to DCA into that, but just my opinion. Daniel said quickie. Nice. What else we have? UST. UST is actually bouncing back up a little bit. I don't know if anyone has any trust in it anymore, though. So, I don't know if it really matters, to be honest. So risky, though. I bought, but I didn't sell. UST back to pick slowly. Yeah. Everyone who started investing in crypto the last 2 years is freaking out. All in a loss right now. Very true. Very true, man. I bet 99%. No, I wouldn't say 99%. I'd say 95% of the chat is in a loss right now. Or in the stream is in a loss right now. So, I mean, everyone's kind of in the same boat in the chat, man. There's nothing to be ashamed of, man. It happens. I mean, people in the stock market, you invested in the stock market too, you're down, right? So, it's not just crypto, man. Obviously, alts are getting destroyed, but it's not just crypto. Won't recover. Trust is gone. I agree. Slowly but surely waiting for Bitcoin, guys. I mean, Bitcoin's just kind of slowly moseying its way down here until the daily close. I mean, it's Bitcoin just can't make higher highs right now. I mean, it's just it tries to bounce back up and just gets sold off. Tries to bounce back up, just gets sold off, right? So, obviously that's kind of the situation we're in right now for BTC, right? That's kind of the situation we are in. So buckle up, boys. Could be an interesting rest of the week this week. Could be a very, very interesting rest of the week this week. All 2021 and 2022 gains are gone. True. But I'm not the slightest bit worried. It'll be okay, guys. Don't freak out too much. At the end of the day, yeah. I mean, everyone's been down in the red at some point. Okay? Everyone's been down. Gonna double down on alts. Hey, they're 80% cheaper. Just be careful, Gandhi, man. I know they're 80% down from highs, but they could go down more. So, I don't need to sound like BitBoy, but there's a difference between 80% down and 95% down. Huge difference. So just be careful, man. That's all I'll say. That's why gotta love Bitcoin and ETH, man. Market has carnage today, but, Bitcoin's only down 7%, right? I mean, it's not the end of the world for Bitcoin. ETH is down 12, right? It's not the end of the world for ETH. So, it is what it is. Jordan, what alt do you think has the most upside? Ethereum. If I'm being honest. You don't know about any other altcoins, right? People would have said Luna a couple days ago. Look what happened. So I'm going to say ETH. I think ETH has the most upside when it comes down to it. All right, here we go. Let me look at some of these super chats, by the way. I'm a little bit behind on these. All right, Jay Walker, what's going on, man? Appreciate you, dude. He said, I'm investing for my 5-year plan. I'm excited to accumulate at lower prices. I have no doubts about crypto long term. That's what it's all about, man. Long term makes you the big money. You can trade. And there's probably a lot of people absolutely killing it shorting the market right now, right? But I mean, there's also people shorting that are getting stopped out and things like that. They don't want to tell you that. They think it's just all profits. But yeah, long term, that's the way to go, man. Happy Coin said, can you look at BTC UST? Will recover 138K wick. Yo, Crypto Kungan, man. I love the positivity. I got to play the pump song I got to play the happy clappy song for Crypto Kungan. Just spreading the positivity, man. Stay positive, guys. It is what it is. You can't change the past. Let's get it. Let me turn up the volume for myself. Look at the guy behind Vitalik. If you want to laugh, look at the guy behind Vitalik. Look at his dance moves. Oh my god, looks like my brother. Clapping, 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 clapping. He doesn't know, doesn't have any rhythm. He's like dropping his shoulder, like kind of like a weirdo. I don't know what's going on with him. But shout out to Crypto Coogan. You're insane, bro. You're absolutely insane. Happy coins. BTC UST will recover the 138k wick. That's a funny one, man. I actually saw that earlier. BTC UST. I actually saw that earlier. Bitcoin went to like 138k on this. Hey, man, this could be deja vu for the future, man. Right? This could be the chart in 2-3 years, man. Whoop. 135k wick. Whoop. 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 Will we recover the wick? Maybe. Maybe someday. Not right now. I don't think so right now. But, yeah, I think we could. At some point. Who knows? Well, I think we will at some point. It's just a matter of when. I don't think right now, though. But yes. Yes. We will recover that wick. At some point in the future. Could be deja vu. All right. Or not deja vu. What's the opposite of deja vu? Fortune telling? Fortune telling. There you go. Yeah, the HODL BS is brainwashing. All right, Grumpy. Let me know where you're at in 3 years, bro. Grumpy. You're so grumpy, Grumpy. Kind of fits you, man. Grumpy 1, too. So you're like the leader of the grumpy guys. His name's Grumpy 1. Not Grumpy 2, not Grumpy 3. He's Grumpy 1. Grumpy 1. No! I'm Grumpy 1! No! Grumpy 1! Change your name to Grumpy 2 right now! Right now! I'm Grumpy 1! It's ridiculous! No one's more grumpy than me! Do you see Shiba? It's wrecked! I'm screwed! I'm literally screwed! I ran out of credit cards! And now no one will accept me! Grumpy 1! Change your name! Ridiculous. See, Grumpy 1, see what you did to Bob, man? See what you did to Bob? He's the grumpiest. See what you did to Bob, man. Don't upset Bob. He's very upset right now. He's very, very upset. Just like everyone else in the chat. Adrian said, I'm not going to lie. And I hate admitting it. Fat Boy Crypto. Don't call him Fat Boy. Listen. Can I do a quick rant alert real quick about that? BitBoy actually looks really good. I have to give him some credit. All right? I have to give him credit where credit is due. He's actually, if you go watch his videos from like a year ago, he actually lost a lot of weight. So let's be slightly nice on that. He's actually killing it when it comes to that. If I'm being honest. I have to give people the credit where the credit is due. And I respect the work he's put in because I can tell. I can definitely tell. Really bullish on the new haircut too. Way better than his old haircut, but I will say that. Let's see. Had it right to sell at 41K when he said sadly. Wait, what? And I'll say this. Most of the people who make fun of BitBoy are probably like fatter than him, okay? So if you're going to sit on Twitter and you're going to sit in the chat and say Fat Boy Crypto, okay? I guarantee you everyone who's saying that is probably twice the size of BitBoy, okay? Because why would you take the time to go Fat Boy Crypto in the chat, okay? Just being honest. He's toning it down? I guess so. Blaze said, am I admitting defeat? Don't call him Chunky Boy. Here we go. Stop, guys. Stop. Come on, man. Be nice. We stick to crypto insults only. Crypto insults only. All their insults, no. Okay? You're a sexy man. Thank you, man. I'm very, very sexy. All right. Had a right to sell at 41K when he said sadly. Only time he saved people money. Much love, bro. Yeah, but the thing about that is he said he was going to sell below 40K, and then when it dropped below 40K, he said he didn't sell. So that kind of defeats the whole purpose. You guys are too funny, man. Now the whole chat is just saying this. Oh, God. Jordan's into BitBoy. Here we go. Here we go, man. Get that BitBoy coming to the chat and going,
Jordan, you think I lost weight? Sorry, TJ. I found myself a new man. Oh, boy. All right. Anyways. TJ that. Clint, thanks again, bro. Luna dropped. I love you, said Eric. I love you too, man. I love you too. Thanks for hanging out on these carnage times. Oh, speaking of times in the chat said we need more Crypto Rover. Hey, Crypto Rover's bullish today? Okay, let's find myself. Let's just type in weirdo. Let's see. Let's see what pops up here. Is this Crypto Rover? No. Oh, I found Mike! Yes! Weirdo! Yes! There he is. Hold on. Let me I forget how he says it, guys. Hold on. There's no... Okay, I remember. There's volume! Jordan! God, I can't do it. There's no volume! Finally! Oh, God, I found him. Oh, God. All right. There he is. Here's Rover. There's Rover, man. What's going on, guys? It's Crypto Rover. Crypto Rover back here with another video. Guys, I'm super excited. Bitcoin is showing bullish divergence. There's bullish divergence. There's bullish divergence on the chart right now. I am super excited. Guys, if you look at the hourly time frame, look at this bullish divergence. I see Bitcoin pumping back up. I think the next bull market is going to start, right? The next bull market is going to start, guys. You have to be super excited right now. If we actually go check the 4-hour chart, we actually have bullish divergence on this chart as well. Super excited. We're going to have a next bull market, guys. The bull market is starting right now. You guys need to buy the dip long. I'm in my 100x long position over on Bybit. Go follow me, guys. I'm super excited. Yeah. Oh, God. That's a good Rover. All right. Anyways, I'm done. Dude said, what the F is that? I don't know, man. I don't know. He looked cool, so I clicked on him. All right. Looks like Chucky. Oh, God. Looks like Chucky. Oh, man. All right. All right. Where's Bitcoin? Bitcoin, come on, man. We got 18 minutes until the daily close. We're still patiently waiting for the daily close. Looks like my buddy. All right. What does the daily close matter if it's trading 24/7? It matters, man. It matters. It matters. Basically, if you get, it matters for like bullish engulfing candles. It matters for if you close below previous support levels. If you close above previous resistance levels, it matters. It matters, right? You might not think it does, but it does. It does. All right, that's all I have to say about that. We want to get it close above 28.8 in particular, guys. We can close above 28.8. Technically speaking, we're still above those summer lows, but I don't know how confident I am in those holding. That's what I'll say. Crypto like a muscle man Ken doll? What? What are you talking about? I can see the Ken doll. I don't know about muscle man Ken doll. We are in a dog market? I don't know what that means, bro. Appreciate that, though, Sing. We're in a dog market. Yeah, I agree, Crypto Kungan. Who cares? Let's get rid of paper hands. Let's freaking go. Yeah, man. I mean, you can see it by alts. You can see how many people are holding altcoins, man. You can see just the absolute capitulation in altcoins. We haven't quite seen it in Bitcoin, but we've seen absolute carnage in altcoins. Like, do I ever even want to look at altcoin charts? I don't know if I do. I mean, we already saw the Luna chart. Luna's just like takes the cake. Look at this Luna chart. Let's do this.
Okay, look at the Luna chart. Okay, there's number one. There's absolute decimation in Luna. Once again, I apologize for everyone that's in Luna. It sucks. It sucks. Just always in the future, at least take it as a learning experience and realize that there is risk with altcoins. Okay? Big risk with altcoins. There's a risk with any crypto, but I would say outside of Bitcoin and ETH, there's risk with every coin, right? So just be careful with altcoins. We have Ape. Ape just absolutely just, yeah. Okay, there goes Ape. Harmony. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, broke the lows already. Sayonara, suckers. There goes Harmony. I mean, Harmony. Yeah, there's Harmony, man. I mean, listen, we can look at support levels all we want, but this Bitcoin dumps. I mean, there's no support that's going to hold up these alts. AVAX. Yeah. There goes AVAX. RIP. All right. AVAX, absolutely RIP. AVAX still has some time. I mean, AVAX was at $9 in the summer, so I mean, you still have some downside to go on AVAX. Solana. Yeah. There goes Solana, man. $50. Dude, can we get Solana below $40? There's a reason why I want Solana below $40. Take it for what it is. Matic. I mean, yeah, you guys get the point, man. It's absolute carnage. Matic is already at, actually wicked down to the summer lows already. There it goes, man. Matic. You guys get the point, man. I mean, alts are alts. Alts are alts. Even ETH broke support, so it is what it is. Can people trust crypto after this? All right, it's not that bad. All right, hold on.
Rant alert.
Let's not start saying Bitcoin's a scam. Can we trust crypto after this? Come on, man. It's not that freaking bad. Okay? We've seen the market do this many, many times in the past. Okay? Once again, go look at 2018. Once again, go look at 2020. Okay? We've seen absolute carnage and capitulation in the past, and the market bounces back. Okay? So, right? You have a ton of factors going on. Okay? It's not just crypto dumping. It's not just, oh my gosh, crypto's dumping and the stock market's still pumping. No, everything's freaking dumping. You got PayPal, you got Netflix, you got Amazon, okay? It's not just crypto, all right? If it was just crypto, all right, a little worrisome. But the whole market is in shambles. The whole world's in shambles, let's be honest. So take that for what you will. Come on, Bank of Canada guy. Here you go.
Basically, Bitcoin is clearly a scam.
I guess he's right at this point.
Cryptocurrency is clearly an idiot with no common sense. And scientifically speaking, according to a study at the Bank of Canada, more people who are financially illiterate invest in Bitcoin.
Financially invest in Bitcoin. Took a loan out for the super chat. Enjoy the coffee. Thanks, Gandhi. Appreciate that, man. Hey, I will say this. Gandhi. I make my own coffee now. I don't go to Speedway. I don't go to Dunkin'. So that $2 will get me so many coffees, and I'm grateful for it, man. Seriously. That's like 10 coffees for me, probably. With the creamer, you're probably looking at like 10. But it's okay. Probably a good amount. Mama said USDT fluctuating. Is it unpegged too? USDT. Don't be telling me this, man. Let's go look at USDT. USDT. Let's see. Oh boy. USDT does this a lot. Not a lot, but it's had worse times. I mean, it's at 99.5. It's not like you're getting absolutely crushed on it, you know? Maya. Clint sent me a $50 super chat. You said, get Maya to come on stream for 5 seconds to say hi. She said no. All right, Clint, I can't make her, man. You know? It's a free country, unfortunately. You know, maybe if we were in, like, I don't know. Maybe if we were in, like, Saudi Arabia. I probably shouldn't say this. Maybe if we're in some country, I could be like, get up here right now. No, we're in a free country. There it is.
Seconds to say hi, crypto family. $50 for 5 seconds is a pretty good hourly wage.
Pretty good hourly wage.
She'll think about it. She's chilling right now. It's not USD. DJ said I got banned on Twitter again. DJ, what do you say? You're always saying stuff over there, man. What are you saying? What are you saying over there?
I'm not working for you.
I'm not working. Can you get me some more wine? Okay, she's gonna get me more wine. Clinton, she's gonna get me more wine for $50. Okay, that's a pretty good hourly wage. That's funny, man. There we go. There we go. She makes her own money. She's an independent woman. UST. Yeah, it's not going nuts. Did you bleep something? Now we good. Someone said I'm from Saudi Arabia. Shut up, Jordan. It was a joke. It was a joke. Oh God. Let's see. Charge back. Yo, Jordan, do you think that Luna will bounce back? Do I think Luna will bounce back?
Nope.
I do not think Luna will bounce back, man. You know why? There's no volume! Do you see, Luna? There's no volume! Who's gonna buy Luna? There's no freaking volume! So no. That's gonna kill my voice, man. I remember my voice used to get destroyed. One more Mike. Actually, I'm not Mike. He's a real guy. He's a real guy. Jumper said... Let's see. Dead Jim. Die on the dollar or die in crypto, all the same. True. I guess right now you're dying a little slower on the dollar. But I guess that's not true. When in doubt, zoom out. I'm being a little short-term bear turd right now, pretty much. So I need to zoom out. I need to zoom out, and I need to remember that we are going to absolutely kick all the bears in the nuts at some point. Boom! We're gonna kick all the bears in the nuts. There's volume on Luna. There is actually volume on Luna. Not the volume we want, but yeah. Let's see. Crypto Kungan, it is fine. Been here since 2019. I mean, yeah. At the end of the day, man, if you've been in this market long enough, you're still good, bro. You're still good. Like a lot of people forget, like, if you've been in this market since the last bear market, I mean, you're still up. I mean, you're still up 20, 30x in the portfolio. You know, a lot of people forget that. A lot of people don't think long term, right? So that's all I'll say about that. That's all I'll say about that. Everyone just looks at the current market and goes, oh my God, everyone is crushed. I mean, yeah, from where we were a couple months ago. But I mean, if you stay in this market long enough, when you have these big pullbacks, it won't sweat you enough. Why? Because you'll be sitting pretty up. That's the whole point. That's why I try to preach on my channel is have a longer term mindset. Yes, the short term sucks, but be ready, okay, to buy when the prices are low. And we're getting to that point where, I mean, the prices have been low for a while, I guess, in all seriousness. We keep saying buy the dip, right? Buy the dip, buy the dip, buy the dip. Where's my guy? Where's my good friend? Come on, George. Georgie. Come on, Georgie. Tell him to buy the dip. I am George. We're all George. Guys, today, I'm going to explain to you why you guys need to buy the dip. You guys need to absolutely buy the dip. Let's go take a look at the dips that I've told you to buy over the last couple months. Guys, I've told you to buy this dip. This is the longest super chat ever. Hold on, man. All right. I told you to buy this dip at 56K, and now you guys are up on that dip. I told you guys to buy this dip at 45K. Now you guys are up. I told you guys buy this dip at 40K. You guys are up. I told you guys buy this dip at 35K. We are gonna go up still, okay? I told you guys buy this dip at 37K. We gonna go up, okay? And now I want you guys to remember to buy this dip and remember to buy this dip, okay? Buy all the dips. It will go back up. It gonna go back up. You might have blood in the streets. You might be homeless by the time it goes back up. But continue to buy the dips. Continue to find quarters on the street, okay? Continue to give the blood that's on the street to, continue to donate it. We will continue back up, okay? Continue to DCA. Continue to hodl, okay? In our cardboard boxes, we're all together, all right? We're all together. That's all I have to say. I'm going to do no Q&A today, just a static video. Because that's how I feel like doing today. That's it. I'll see you guys later. Buy the dip. Peace. God, shit. All right, it's over. It's over. Shit, I don't want to freaking stream again. I'm just gonna keep making static videos. I don't want to stream to these idiots. God, I don't want to stream to these guys. I keep telling them buy the dip, and it keeps going down. Shit. And Luna, I told everyone to buy Luna at $100, $120. I told everyone to FOMO on Luna. Shit, what am I going to tell them? Oh, let's make up something that, someone crashed the market. Let's make it up. Shit. Shit. Fuck. What am I going to tell them? What am I supposed to tell them? Shit, it's going to go back up. It's going to go back up. It's going to go. George just goes nuts. All right. That's it. That's it. That's basically it. Nail in the head. There you go. All right. Anyways, good time to DCA on Luna? Yes. All right. Anyways. Back to the show. D. Kennedy said, can Luna come back? Once again, Kennedy, I don't think so. I think Luna's done for, but I don't know if anyone's going to have trust in it again, man. That's all I'll say. Just George goes nuts. He's fucking nuts. All right. Fishing for fun said, is Crow a good intro at the moment? Is Crow a good intro at the moment? I mean, listen, I'm staying far away from alts right now, man. I'm going to be honest. I'm not touching an altcoin with a 10-foot pole, besides Solana. But I have a reason for Solana. But I'm not touching an alt with a 10-foot pole. Not looking at this chart. Okay? Now, if you want to hold for a longer-term hold, go ahead, right? Just be prepared for it to go lower, though. It's a tough position to me. It's a tough position to me to answer that. I'm going to tell you what I'm going to do. I'm not touching alts. Okay? At least right now, right? If Bitcoin gets to where I want it to get to, then that's where I'm going to touch alts. But until then, right? If Bitcoin drops another 2K, I mean, we've seen alts get decimated. If Bitcoin drops another 2K, 3K down, that could be the difference between 30, 40% down on altcoins. I'm going to be honest. You guys seen it the last couple of days. Bitcoin drops like 5%. Altcoins drop 30%. So just be prepared for that if you're going to buy right now. That's all I'll say. Crow, I like Crow for a longer term hold. At 18 cents, I mean, I'm not going to compare anything to previous all-time highs. That's a stupid way to look at it. But in all honesty, just be ready, man.
27 to 22 BTC.
I think Luna tops ICP's rug. Yeah.
Thanks, bro.
You count ETH as an alt? What the hell, man?
Bruh.
ETH is not an alt. ETH is its own entity. It's Bitcoin, ETH, everything else. As seen for Luna. As seen from Luna. You could put, I would say this. No, even BNB, I think, is got like, I think even BNB is like poopy, you know? Seriously. This has got to be the bottom. It's peak fear and peak trolly, man. TA on Luna Inu. Actually, if someone made Luna Inu, it would probably go nuts right now. Cause it's the meme. It's like Will Smith Inu, Or Johnny Depp, Inu. Right? Blue Collar said, hey, Jordan, I got wrecked by the Luna drop. Hard. This hurts a lot. The worst part is all the I told you so jerks. How should I approach rebuilding my crypto portfolio? Yeah, I told you. I mean, no one could have predicted this, man. I mean, there was obviously some things about Luna that were a little bit risky, but I mean, no one could have saw this happening. So I mean, that's a little bit over the top for people saying I told you so. But how should I approach rebuilding my portfolio? I mean, what I'm doing, man, I'm mostly sticking to Bitcoin and ETH. Bitcoin and ETH have never done me wrong. Okay, I can't say the same about anything else. So, I'm sticking to Bitcoin and ETH, man. If Bitcoin drops closer to the 200 moving average, then I'll think about grabbing some alts. But I think people look too far past and want to get into these altcoins because they're down 80% from highs, but they don't realize that they could go lower. So, it's fine buying altcoins. I would say it's fine buying altcoins, but just be prepared for them to have more red days. That's all I'll say. And the red days could be brutal, like we said the last couple of days. So if you're okay with that and you can stomach that, that's fine. Because you never know when Bitcoin's going to bounce back up. You have no idea. No one knows. Everyone's guessing right now, oh, it's going to bounce back up at this level, this level, this level, this level. No one really knows. The question is, do you have the stomach to stomach the losses until Bitcoin does decide to bounce back up? That's what it comes back down to right now, in honesty. But Blue Collar, that sucks, man. I know you're the homie. You've been supporting my channel forever too, man. So I that sucks. It sucks, dude. That's like ETH getting absolutely decimated, man. I would be so pissed. I would be so pissed. So I understand. I would probably go on a walk, like a 5-hour walk, and just like punch air, pretty much. You know, just literally punch air. Oh, what's the fear and greed? Let's check it out, bro. So it was 12 yesterday. If it's not lower than 12, I call bullshit on the fear and greed. That's what I'll say. Let's see. Bro! The fear and greed sucks, man. No. There's no way, bro. I've never seen the market this bearish. Every YouTuber is bearish. Every crypto trader is bearish. Every retail person is bearish. Is anyone bullish right now? Come on, man. This is bullshit. It's going to be, this is above April. This is above April. I think it was April. No. This is above 2019, where 2019 wasn't even that scary, man. Like, this is some BS. This is some BS, man. There's no way. I've never seen the market this fearful in my entire life. Are you going to tell me that 2019 was more fearful? You going to tell me that last summer was more fearful? Nope. Nope. Not even close. Not even freaking close. I was confident last summer we were going to go to the upside. You guys remember. I made a bet saying I'm going to get a Dogecoin tattoo if Bitcoin doesn't hit all-time highs when it was at its lows. I'm not doing the same now. That's BS, bro. And on top of it, we got these stupid ads. Who's going to... Look at these hats. It's pretty good for inflation, though. $368 for a hat. Who wants to buy the hat for $368? This is some BS. Fear and greed should be 5. I agree. It should be lower than 12. It's ridiculous. That's why I don't put any weight into that thing. Fear and greed is fake, like the White House and Fed. True. Because people are buying, losing money on Luna. True. Your mom is here. What's going on, my mom? Good to see you, Mom. Hope you're doing well over there. I could probably flip those hats for easy 12, 10 bucks. It's a pretty good deal, man, in inflation. I'm not going to lie. 25 shirts. It's not too bad, man. The entire world is crumbling at once. Every global economy all at once. That's depressing, so Tyler. UST. You know what's even more depressing? 80% of Americans only have $500 in their account. While the market is collapsing. Nothing bad could happen. Let's see. Jumper said, die in the dollar or die in crypto. It's all the same, folks. True. It's whatever we... No, I mean, dude, dying in crypto is not a thing, man. It's short. It's all short-term stuff. It's all short-term stuff. Short-term, what I mean is like, I think people get confused about short-term. Short-term, based on previous cycles, guys. I know it's not the same. Crypto's never been through a recession. Okay, I get it. But if we look at it from this, I mean, from the previous tops, right? It takes on average about a year to go from top to bottom. All right, so let's do a little math here. Let's do a little math on when we maybe could expect a bottom for Bitcoin. All right, so it's taken on average about a year. Right, this time it took about 59 weeks. This time it took about 52 weeks. We only have 2 cycles to go off of, so we don't have a lot of data. But take it for what you will. Where are we now? All right, where are we now? We could look at this 2 different ways. In my personal opinion, and this is my opinion, guys. This is my opinion. I think the top should have been April of last year. I don't think we should have went above that at the end of last year. I think this should have been, in reality, looking back at it, this should have been some type of dead cat bounce, right? It should have been. No, based on what people knew was coming, right? Where are we now? We're about 56 weeks, which makes kind of sense because typically Bitcoin bottoms out at the 200 moving average, right? So if we were to say it's going to take another 3 weeks for Bitcoin to get to 22K, which I don't know, I mean, that's the high end, right? 56 weeks we're at right now. The 200 moving average is at 22K, right? And that's typically where Bitcoin bottoms out at. I mean, in theory, we're kind of at the same track if we were to look at it that way. Now, you could argue that that's not true. Maybe the top was in November last year. In that case, you'd be looking at, closer to November of 2022 as a bottom, right? Which doesn't, I mean, to me, doesn't make really sense because Bitcoin's typically bottomed at the 200 moving average. Doesn't have to, but based off previous history. So we'll see what finds out. I mean, I think everything's kind of adding up to the next 3 weeks, Bitcoin bottoming out. I'm not saying Bitcoin's going to moon from the bottom. I'm not saying Bitcoin's going to, hit 22K and then freaking go up to 200K tomorrow. No. It could hit the 200 moving average and kind of do what it did in 2019, right? Where, it kind of went sideways for 3 months, maybe had a little bit of pump, maybe not go as high, but kind of went sideways, right? And then go up, right? Something like that. We kind of go down, kind of go sideways, bada bing, bada boom, go up a little bit, go down, blah, 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 something like that, right? Who knows? But, I mean, that's just looking at it from based off the past. I know you can't compare apples to apples. It's a different market, but it is what it is. The bottom will be the same then and now. True. Let's see. April was the top. Top was April 2020. Holy moly, man. JWA said looks nothing like the other peaks. That's facts. Holy moly, man. You guys are going nuts today. How many people we got in here today?
If 69K dead cat bounce, do you owe us a dose?
Let's see. Ooh, nice little stream today. We got 1,500 peeps in here today. It's pretty nice. Despite really Bitcoin doing nothing. That's pretty nice. What's up, Crypto Kungan? You're crazy, bro. All right. Stumbledore said, could USDT be collapsing? I don't think so, man. Gandhi said, gonna double down on alts. Just be careful, alts, my man. Like I said, just be careful, alts. Sir, dude, I didn't do link yet, man. I'll get the link. Love crypto. Never thought I would buy Bitcoin under 30K again. Speak in 2025, folks. Very true. Very true, man. Right now, I mean, unfortunately, the people that hold crypto have to take like the brunt right now, where the prices are going down. But I will say this, man. It's the people that continue to buy. You guys are nuts today, man. Holy shit. It's the people that continue to buy and continue to just have patience that are the people going to have the last laugh. It's the people that are calling Bitcoin a scam and this and that and this and that, right? Those are the people that are going to be salty and the ones that are going to FOMO into Floki Inu on the next all-time high. It's as simple as that. You don't believe it now? Talk to me in 2 years. Talk to me in 2 years. Okay? If those are going to be the people that FOMO in 2024 after the next halving, when Floki Inu's doing 1000x, they're going to FOMO at the top. Just like they did this time. Rinse and repeat. All right? Stop at the USDT FUD, not the same. Yeah, I think USDT is fine. At least right now. I got you on link. It's cheap. Nice, Gandhi. Nice, Gandhi. Hold on one sec. Let me finish up here. Has been a bit busy lately. When I see the low prices today, then it feels like 2019. Buy and close your PC. Cash 2025. Sure.
Had $2. $1 went to you. What do I put the other?
Floki isn't a good buy. True. Floki Inu, man. Floki Inu. Who's going to buy Floki in 2025? Raise your hand. Who's going to buy Floki in 2025? Let me know. I bet a bunch of you guys are going to buy Floki. Maybe I will. Who knows? Maybe I'll buy Floki. Maybe I will. Let's see. I need some Luna Hopium. Kennedy, man. Listen, I'm not laughing because I'm not laughing because I think it's funny. I'm laughing because that's sometimes what I do in awkward situations. Here's what I'll say, man. Luna is, I mean, I want to tell you, I don't think Luna's going to bounce back. I'm going to be honest. I could be wrong about that, okay? What I'll say about Luna is what I think it could be, not I want to say a learning lesson, but what I think Luna could be for a lot of people, and this might be you, Kennedy, but I think what Luna could be for a lot of people is just a wake-up call that not all altcoins are safe to invest in, right? Even the big projects, man. I mean, you gotta take every altcoin. To me, that's besides Bitcoin ETH, because they've been around forever. They have so much net. They go through so many transactions. They have so much network effect already that they're somewhat reliable. You gotta take every altcoin with a grain of salt, man. And that's really I have to say. Like I don't think personally Luna's gonna bounce back. But that's just me, man. I want to give you some hopium, and I think, you know, if there is any hopium, it's $1, right? So maybe some traders, maybe someone thinks it's going to bounce back and some big money gets into it and it bounce back. That's really the best I can tell you, man. I don't want to sit here and lie to you and tell you, oh, I think Luna's going to go back up to $100. I don't think it does, but I mean, I just don't see how anyone trusts it anymore, right? It's all about trust. You can get back to UST can get back to $1, but will that matter? Will people trust it to not dump again, right? So that's what I'll say. I feel bad because I want to give you some hopium. I just don't want to lie to you either, you know? All right, let's continue. These type of events create Bitcoin maximalists. Facts, man.
Rolling on the floor laughing.
XRP made me pretty much a Bitcoin ETH maximalist. Now, I'm not a Bitcoin ETH maximalist. I hold altcoins too, but a large percentage of my portfolio is in Bitcoin ETH, except when we're in a bull market. When we're in a bull market, I mean, altcoins are going nuts. It's hard to keep it at like 80% Bitcoin ETH. Yeah. I mean, every person has an alt that made them reconsider investing in certain altcoins. For me, it was XRP. So take that for what you will. Bathwater said Luna was 80 cents in January 2021. Yeah. I mean, it's still up compared to 2021. I mean, that's a good way to put it, Bathwater. So there's a lot of people that are still up on the project. So that's a good way to put it. I don't want to sound doom and gloom on it because I know a lot of people are still into it and still believe in the project. And there's always a chance that it could bounce back, right? There's always a chance. So you do your own research. You think you do the research and see if it's worth holding on to, and you go from there, right? Let's see. YouTuber said Bitcoin, ETH are scams, but XRP isn't. Who said that, man? Who said that, hip-hop music? Invest 2,000 in lost life savings. Beast Topics, come on, man. You'll get it back, bro. You'll get it back. I know you're a homie. You're gonna get it back, bro. Just chill. Chill. I know it sucks. Trust me. XRP went from like $3 to less than, I forget exactly what it was, 20 something cents, and that was my biggest holding. So yeah, I get it, and it never really bounced back. It bounced back to $1 and then went straight back down in 2020, and that's what really made me salty. So yeah, we've all been there, man. It's all good. Clint, I tried. It's not going to happen, man. Maybe she has some more Trulies in her. Should be good. Cheddarhead said, should I buy BTC now or wait a couple days? It's whatever you're comfortable with, man. I'm not going to tell you what to do. I mean, it's up to you. I told you what I'm doing. 27K and below. That's what I'm doing. Jordanu Inu, what's up, man? When are you announcing your crypto coin? Probably do better than Luna at this point. All right, let's not rub it in, man. Let's not rub it in. There's people that actually got pretty wrecked with it. So I'm I don't want to rub it in like that, man. Jordanu Inu would probably get wrecked, and I would never start my own coin because so many people have started their own coin and the market dumps it and everyone calls them a scammer. So I would care more about my integrity than to get some quick in and out, because I have to live with that my entire life. I'll never do anything that I'll say this in my life, and then continue in my life. I'll never do anything bad where I have to think about it and live with that for the rest of my life. Why? Because you only live one life. Why do you want to live with things you have to take to the grave like that? I'll never do anything like that. Nate said copium. I'm sure you've talked about it already. I see a target of ascending channel starting January 4th to May 1st is 26.6K. I'll buy $100 worth. Fishing for fun. Wait, no, that was Nate. Thank you for the super chat, Nate. You said, what is it? January 4th to May 1st. If an influencer starts a coin, isn't it just a Ponzi? Yes. Yes, man. All right. Should start a coin? No, I'm not starting a coin, man. I'm not starting a stupid coin, man. Never start a stupid coin. Let's see. Let's see. So, I'm trying to get this correct, man. So you say January. So you said January 4th. It seems kind of random, man.
To the stream tonight, just chat Maya over and over until we get a Maya coin.
Oh God,
30
man.
seconds to hide is reasonable. Show strength and let us shrimps finally win today.
Clint, good luck, man. I don't know if it's gonna happen, man. I don't know if it's gonna happen. You can try. You can try. Right? I think you should. Gave her a massage today. Here we go, man. Oh, God. Now we're going to have a bunch of spammers in the chat. Here we go. Clint's chin. All right, here we go. So January to May 1st. I'm so confused, man. You got to give me the years, bro. You got to give me the years. It could be any year you're talking about, you know? Yeah, man. I'm not going to waste everyone's time. You got to give me the year, man. It could be anywhere. You could talk about 2018, 2019, all that stuff. Oh, God. That's funny, man. 29.3. Let's see. All right, let's see. I'm confused for Bitcoins and Umar. Okay. Did you say Luna is dead? What will you eat when Luna gets back to all-time high? I'm not eating shit, man. Listen, Luna could bounce back. I have no idea. I'm not making a bet on Luna because I have no idea what happens. I have zero idea what happens to Luna. If it bounces back to all-time highs, I will be so happy for everyone that's still holding on to it, man. Seriously, I'm not going to make any bets because, to be honest, I would prefer Luna get back to all-time highs than go to zero, obviously, because there's people still holding it and people still holding out hope that it goes back up. So I'm not going to bet against Luna right now. You know, that's all I'll say, Mike. To be fair, man. It would be better for the market for it to recover too, you know? Oh God, here we go. Let's get drunk every night and forget the last week. I'm drinking wine, man. Roy said, I bet you don't own a single crypto. Do I look like a man who doesn't own a single crypto? Do I look like one that doesn't own a single crypto? Not one XRP. 26 cents. Or whatever it is. 40 cents. I actually kind of do. Oh, man. That's funny. I look like some bum who doesn't own any crypto. All right. Please, Luna Hopium. Kennedy, I tried, man. Got screwed like a prison boy. True. Do you think we'll see the bottom? Can you do a 3-day death cross? Yeah, we'll jump to that. I'm going to finish these up. If 69K dead cat bounced, do you owe us Doge Tap?
Nope.
No Doge Tap, man. It hit all-time highs technically. All right, so let's not get into it. Where did Bitcoin close, by the way? I completely missed the close, guys. I apologize. I was getting deep and dirty into the chats. Let's see. So Bitcoin closed at a measly, right around 29,131. So technically speaking, you did close above. Actually, I mean, you actually did close above the wick from last summer. So you still have some support below you. We'll see if we hold it, right? So far, so good. We're still holding it, right? So will it hold? I mean, that's another question. I don't think anyone can really answer that for you. People will say no. People will say yes. We'll find out, right? Just like I've been saying the last couple weeks, just be prepared for any scenario. Any freaking scenario. We have bullish divergence on some shorter time frames, but TA is TA right now, right? Do you believe the TA or do you just believe the narrative that Bitcoin's going to go lower, right? Surdu wants the link. All right, let's do a link, man. I know link was at $6 or something like that earlier. Now it's at 7. Okay. Link at $7. Who would have thought we'd see link at $7 again? That's crazy. $7 for link. Is it sad that this song actually makes me happy? 460. 460 is probably the next target for link. In all honesty. You know, that's if 650 breaks. Other than that, I mean, yeah, falling wedge break to the downside, that's never a good sign. Whenever a falling wedge breaks to the downside, that's how you know something's pretty bearish, right? So, yeah, Link is gone to the downside, man. Jordan is not doing his own coin. I'm not doing my own coin, man. Let's see. Crypto Kungan, you're crazy, man. Happy Coin said if 69... Oh, no. We already did that one. Crypto Kungan again said, listen, 1 year ago, Crow cost 16 cents. Bitcoin cost 38K. ETH 2.6. We have war in Europe. We have the highest inflation. Buy the discounts. True. I mean, the market's the market right now, right? I would even double down and say 2 years ago. I would double down and say 2 years ago. If you really want to get super hopium, right? I mean, I know people don't care about this, but, you know, if we go back 2 years ago today, where was Bitcoin, right? Let's do a little hopium. Bitcoin was at 9K. Okay? Still up over 3x. Where was ETH? I think ETH was like $200 or something like that. ETH is still up like 15. No, sorry. I think ETH is still up like 20x. Okay? Where was Chainlink? I think Chainlink was like $1. Chainlink's still up like 7x. Okay? Where was Cardano? Cardano was like 3 cents. Cardano's still up like 20x. Okay? Now, I know that's not like, oh my gosh, right? Yeah, that's if you got in early. I get it. But at the same time, you got to have a long-term mindset, and that's what I think about, right? That's what I think about. Where were the prices 2, 3, 4 years ago? That range is where I see everything going. Johnny said, stop making that comparison. People are in the red. Dude, Johnny.
Rant alert.
I understand you're salty right now, man. Listen, everyone's in the same boat, not just you, Johnny. So stop acting like a freaking pussy, okay? Be positive. Stop acting like a pussy in the chat, okay? Grow some freaking balls, right? Seriously. Everyone was in the same boat in 2018, 2019 too. Guess what? They recovered. Everyone was in the same boat 2014, 2015 too. Guess what? They recovered. Stop being a pussy in the chat. Grow some freaking balls. Grow a vagina if you're a chick, okay? And get over it, all right? You're going to be okay. Chill out, man.
Rant alert.
All right. Let's see. Yeah, crying in the chat. Oh, you can't make that comparison. Everyone's in the red. No shit, man. Everyone's going through the same thing. You think you're the only person going through this? You think you're the only person going through this?
Rant alert.
It's freaking ridiculous, man. People think like they're the only people that exist on this earth. Everyone in the chat's going through the same thing. Chill the hell out, man. Seriously. If you're gonna bitch about this, just wait a couple days, man. You're gonna be crying in a corner. Seriously, man. This is why I stay off crypto Twitter, man, because I can't do it, man. This is why I stay off Twitter. Twitter's worse. All right. I'm in the gray. There you go. Had $2. $1 went to you. What do I put the other in? I mean, if I had to choose what I put something in right now, it's going to be ETH. Second, Bitcoin. You make the decision after that, man. If you don't like Bitcoin and ETH,
9.9 on
I don't know.
the scale.
Thank you, man. Thank you, Crane. Appreciate that, man. Let's do a rant rating. Listen, I see too many people like acting like pussies in the chat, man. Grow some balls, dude. You're acting like a 4-year-old in the chat. Come on, man. All right. Rant rating, 1 to 4. Oh, hold on. Let's do this. Rant rating, 1 to 4. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here we go, man. Four is good? Yeah, four is a good. 1 is shitty. Let me know in the chat. Vote in the chat. Rant Moon. Will we reach all-time highs later this year? Your opinion. No, I don't see it all-time highs this year, man. Well, listen, I'll say this. I'll say this. Do I think Bitcoin could have a run? You know? Jazz. 4 is good. 4 is good, 1 is bad. No, but do I think Bitcoin could have a run? It could, right? I mean, if you look back, say, at 2019, right? When we were in a bear market, Bitcoin can have relief rallies, right? It can have relief rallies. So, you know, I'm not going to say Bitcoin's going to go all-time highs this year, but I'm also not going to say it can't go on a run. 2019, right? Bitcoin was in a bear market from really 2018 to all the way to 2020, but you still had a time where Bitcoin had little rallies, right? I mean, you obviously had this rally, which was 343%. Whose portfolio is doing better in this downtrend? You or Maya? I have no idea. She's smart. She knows what she's doing. I don't have to tell her. But yeah.
Throw some balls and get away, bro. Okay, just kidding.
Right here, you went up 60%. Like, see, you had some rallies. Not huge rallies. I have no idea, Clint. That's a good idea. Who's doing better, you think?
I guess you.
Okay, she said, I guess me. How about one Harmony? Harmony got destroyed. We'll check out Harmony. But it could still have little rallies. Not going to say you can't have little rallies. All-time highs, though? I don't know, man. I don't know.
Rolling on the floor, laughing, dude. I was with one of my
Oh, God.
in the hospital, but I'm listening to you through my earpiece, and I heard that phenomenal rant hands clapping.
Skillful, what's up, man?
Hands clapping, medium dark skin tone hands clapping, medium dark skin tone hands clapping.
Thanks for the pay attention to your patient. Skillful, pay attention to your patient, man. You should not be watching the stream while you're doing surgery. Dude, get off the stream, man. I don't know if you're actually doing surgery. You're probably just like, you're with a patient and you're literally watching to my stream in the background. That's some serious dedication. The patient's probably like, who the hell is this doctor? Who the hell is this nurse? I don't know what you are, but... Sir Dude said, how is Only Up doing? Staying true to its name? Only Up? Let's have Bob check out Only Up. Let's see what Only Up's doing. Where's Bob? There he is. All right, guys, let's check Only Up. Let's check Only Up. Only Up. What the? It doesn't even exist! Sir Dude! What's Only Up? Christ. How am I supposed to find this? It doesn't even exist anymore. What happened to Only Up? I put $500 into that. That was my whole year's pay. I don't even work. That's my allowance. Where is Only Up? Shit. I need to find another one. Let's go look at gainers and losers. Oh my. Doge Colony? Look at all the zeros. No, neighbor. I'm not a friggin' idiot. Look at all the zeros. 206%? Oh my. Yes. Yes. This is it. Yes. Doge Colony. Yes. Shit. All right. Bob wants Doge Colony, I guess. But, yeah, I guess Only Up doesn't exist anymore. It's just gone. It's gone. Ah, man. Your blood sugar is only up, Bob? Facts. Oh, man. What happened to Only Up? That used to be on here. I remember looking at that back in the day. Hold on. Let me search again. Only. Is it 2 words? Oh, there he goes. Up Only. Sorry, it was Up Only. What happened to Up Only?
Everybody panic. We're going to zero.
It's actually down. You know what's funny about this? It's actually down like the same amount as all the other alts, to be fair. 27. Up only, man. RIP. Up and out of CMC. It's there. All right. Up only went down only. It really did. It launched and it went up a little bit and then poop right to the downside. To the stream tonight. Just chat Maya over and over until we get a showing. Oh, God. 5 seconds to high is reasonable. Show strength and let us shrimps finally win today. Good luck, Clint. Good luck, Clint. You tried, man. It didn't work. Sebastian, UST is back at 80 cents and from 30 cents. Wish my whole portfolio did that today. That would be nice, right? What's UST? Where's UST right now? Let's check it out. Where's UST back at right now? 78 cents. It is what it is, I guess. It is what it is. Luna's at 113. We're almost back up to 30K. Somehow, in some way, Bob needs and deserves his own channel. I don't know, man. That channel would get so much hate. I can't even imagine the comment section in that channel, man. Bob would get so much hate. And, yeah, we'll keep it at that. 9.9 on the rate scale. Thank you, Crane. I thought it was a pretty good rant back in the day. I mean, it was only like 10 minutes ago. No, 5 minutes ago. Rod Radford, thanks, Jordan. Hard not to buy at these prices, but you said when I started February 2021, do not invest more than you can afford to lose. Doing my regular DCA and holding on. Yeah. Don't afford more than you can afford to lose. Unfortunately, a lot of people do that. And, you know, that's like the number one rule when it comes to crypto, man. Crypto is volatile. Crypto is insane. Crypto has violent price swings year to year, month to month, week to week, day to day. Do not invest more than you can afford to lose, or your hair will look like this. Okay? It will look like this. You see my hairline right now? That's what it's going to look like if you can invest more than you can afford to lose. You're going to retrace. You see this little triangle that points out like this? That's what you're going to get. Okay? So don't do it. Don't do it. Or that's what your hair is going to look like. And probably worse. Grow some balls and get away on stream, bro. So serious note, whose portfolio? Okay, we did that one, Clint. I have no idea, to be honest. Skillful said, dude, I was one of my patients. Okay. Make sure you're paying attention to your patients, man. Seriously. Negative attention is still attention. That's what got me through childhood. Facts. Facts, 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 facts. That's actually very true. That's actually very, very true. It's usually the most controversial people are usually the most popular people, to be honest. Is what I've noticed. The most controversial people are the most popular people. If you look at it, actually playing it safe, and it actually goes to anything with life, playing it safe can only work up to a certain point, right? Seriously, it only works up to a certain point. If you just play it safe in your whole life, you're going to get to retirement and have no money. In my opinion, I mean, nowadays you can't just work a 9 to 5 and go to retirement. You can't just work a job and go to retirement. You're going to be screwed if you even make it to retirement. You got to take a little bit of risk, especially if you're younger too. If you're below the age of 50, to me, you got to be taking some risks, man. Especially in the market nowadays. What's up, Drew? I'm on my way to the gym, and we have the same shirt on, Jordan. Naked. Drew, that's what I'm talking about, man. I decided to go with the nostalgic, very, very nostalgic, what I used to wear way back in the days. Because I think we deserve to wear that. Which is actually funny. When I was wearing this shirt, was actually Bitcoin was probably at the same price back then. It was just a whole different story. Everyone was pumped for 29K. Right? Now everyone's pissed for 29K. It's funny how we kind of flipped that real quick, right? Everyone's pumped for 29K, now everyone's pissed. 29K, well, this is ridiculous. Bitcoin was just at 3K months ago. And now, here we are. 29K, everyone, the sky is falling. Everything's doomsday, right? Everything's doomsday. Let's see. Hey, Jordan, can you call Iron Scooby a bussy? He's into that? An Iron Scooby? What's going on, Josh? Good to see you, man. Let's see, man. Let's see. Iron Scooby, a boosy? Iron Scooby, you're a boosy. A boosy, man. Exactly, DJ. Live cheap, save up, invest smart. That's what I'm talking about, man. That's what I'm talking about. That's what I live my life on. I'm 40 years old. Crypto, my only hope. Okay. Iron Scooby, you're a pussy. Shout out to YouTube. Today's FOMO is tomorrow's fear. Yep. True. All right, guys. What else we got? I'm just reading the chat. I mean, we're kind of waiting on Bitcoin's next move right now. Boosie. It does work, DJ. You got it, man. Everyone's poor. Okay, can I do a quick rant alert real quick?
Rant alert.
Huh?
The Polish version made no sense.
What? Oh.
Because he wrote it in Polish, that's what I was saying, but it made no sense.
No, I wasn't talking about that. Everyone's poor, okay?
Yeah,
Poor people buy things that they don't need, and that's why they stay poor.
He was talking about being poor.
Yeah.
He wrote it in Polish.
Yeah.
Before that.
Oh, I got you. Poor people, okay, stay poor because they buy things they don't need, right? Rich people get rich because they buy things that they only need.
Rant alert.
Tell me that's not true, man. Tell me that's not true. Why do you think the richest people walk around in freaking hoodies and freaking sweatpants and jeans? They're not wearing Gucci shit. They're not wearing freaking chains. They're not. Listen, man. I could rant about that all day.
Alert.
It's true. It's true. That's one of my favorite sayings in the world, man.
Made $3 on Luna today. Most profit I've made in 2022.
Poor people can't afford to buy things they don't need? No, man, because you have people living in their mom's basement, but they drive a Mercedes.
Rant alert.
Paid you all my profits today. That's why I'm bored. True. Yeah, people living in their mom's basement, but they buy Gucci shirts.
Rant alert.
All right, I'm done with the rant alert, man. I'm done with the rant alert. I see it all the time. Materialism, yeah. For me, I'm one of like the least materialistic people you ever meet. Anyone that knows me could probably say that too. I literally I'll spend money on like, if I go places, right? Because that's experiences. Those are things you'll never forget. But to buy shirts and cars and to get an expensive apartment that you can't afford for no reason, right? To impress people. Who are you trying to impress, man? You're poor. Okay, yeah, you have an expensive apartment, but then you can't afford anything, right? What's the fun in that? You know what I mean? It's true. I'm kind of getting off topic here, but it's true. One more rant alert, please. Nah, that's enough. That's enough rant alerts for today.
I love that you have 2K peeps watching right now.
Love you have 2K peeps watching right now. That's what I'm talking about, man. That's what happens in this price action. Long stream today. I like it. Of course. Why wouldn't I stream today? I'm kind of... Bitcoin's trying to bounce back up right now. At the end of the day, it's still making lower highs, right? So, I don't know if we can get to it. I don't think anyone's getting really excited right now for a $30,100 BTC, right? I don't think anyone is. Let's see. Bitcoin to 0. Clint, I'm not talking about everyone, man. I'm not talking about everyone.
When you go get lunch or dinner with buddies, how do you deal with the bill?
When you go get lunch or dinner with your buddies, how do you deal with your bill? I'll actually offer to pay most of the time. I'll offer to pay most of the time, and that's facts. But I'll offer to pay. Actually, most of the time, I'll actually offer to pay the whole thing. Other than that, if they don't accept it, I'll split. I'll never be the one who will just sit there and not offer to pay. Never. I buy too much weed. Nice bathwater. Imagine if you would have spent half your money on gold. You would have been. I mean, right now you've probably been pretty good. I'd say, right? In theory. Hey, look at Ape. Ape's back up 20% today. Today. Oh, it looks so shady, man. It looks so shady. Look at that. Boom, man. What's up, T-Money? But yeah, Ape's trying to bounce back up. I mean, it's still below the lows. So, I mean, that's not the lows. I know it went lower here. It went lower over here. But it's trying to bounce back up. Take it. We'll take it. DJ, have a good night, my friend. Have a good night, DJ. Later, bro. Good to see you, man. Enjoying that $5 gold. I don't even know what's gold. What is gold doing right now? Hold up. Let me check gold. Gold. 1857. Actually, gold's not even doing that well. I mean, I guess it's doing better. It's doing better than crypto, but it's not meant to be volatile, right? So technically speaking, gold isn't doing shit. It ain't doing shit, man. It's literally doing shit. 1857. For an inflation hedge, I mean, I guess for an inflation hedge, I mean, technically it's holding value. I mean, it's holding value better than most stock markets and in crypto. So I guess I can't hate on gold. You know? Shouldn't we be having a funeral? We are, man. Don't you hear it? Made $3 on Luna today. Most profit I've made in 2022. There you go, Freddie. I'll take it. $3 to $3, man. That's what I have left in stablecoins. That's crazy. Jonathan said, I love that you have 2K peeps. Me too, John. Me too. I'm literally not talking about shit. Sir Dude said, when you go get lunch or dinner with buddies, how do you deal with the bill? Oh, we did that one, Sir Dude. You guys are studs. Pax G, top 10 crypto. Where is the... Oh, man. I'm making bank shorting Luna. I think most people did, but once again, I mean, a lot of people lost a lot of money in Luna, so we can't take it for what you will. Everyone still here will be the champions in about 2 years. Exactly. The fact, if you are still here, even if you're a bear that's rooting for the price to go down, right? Which means that you still have an intention of buying at some point, right? It's going to be the winner. Those are going to be the winners. Everyone in here right now has the potential to be a winner. That's what's exciting. And most of the names that have been here watching my channel forever are still in the chat. Most of them. Not everyone, but most of them. Those are going to be the winners. Not the people who only come around when the market's bullish, right? Those aren't going to be the winners. Those are the people who get back in 2024, 2025, and are salty again and call Bitcoin a scam. And, you know, wherever Bitcoin and ETH and all the altcoins are that last, right? Wherever they are, those are the people who are get salty again and do the same thing they're at right now, which is disappear. What's up, Sunflower? I know Sunflower's still here. I know Bathwater's still here. Jazz is still here. Dan's still here. Slothbag's still here. Oscar's still here. Squiggy. To be fair, Squiggy got in very early on Cardano. So, if you got in early on Cardano, you did pretty good. Trust me. Michael said, we in here. Bag holders for life. Nice. Nice fumbles. Oh, no. Michael. Nice dude. I want to call BTC a scam. Me too. What's up, Gandhi? Amanda, what's up? Tony? Teju? I wish I still wasn't here, said K-Day. Bro Science. I see so many familiar names. Brian, even though Brian's a troll, I still love Brian Miller. He's one of my favorite trolls in the chat. Otis. I'm trying to see who I know here. Otis, I know Otis. Mr. Zoko. Hosker. Metal Gear, I always know Metal Gear. I think Metal, you're kind of a troll too, man. I think if I remember correctly. Soul Train. Do I think people will be fearful of Near? Yeah, I think most of them with the algorithmic stablecoins people will be fearful of those. If you want more info on that, watch George's video. George is good at explaining that stuff. What's up, Delroy? Vans, what's up, man? There's a lot of people who don't chat in the chat a lot, but you're still here. George, what's up, man? I knew you were still here. You're just lurking, man. Lurking in the shadows. Bro Science. This is the best time to be for crypto and stocks. Don't be a minnow. Be a killer in a whale in this market. True. True. Even though I think we could go lower. But, hey, don't quote me on that. I've been silent watcher for a long time. There you go, Gaz. I'm new here, said Beer Guts. Well, welcome, man. Welcome. This is definitely a different kind of stream than other ones. I'd say that. Freddie, what's up, man? Crazy that I'm now rooting for 30K rejection so I can get a cheap coin. It's so true. A couple weeks ago, we were like, Bitcoin, just bounce. And now we want it to go lower at this point. I think we're all at that point where like we just accept where Bitcoin is. We accept where altcoins are at. And we're like, all right, at this point, we just go lower. We'll accumulate lower. It's all good. It is what it is. We expect it to happen. If it happens, a lot of us have already accepted it. So it is what it is. A lot of people haven't accepted it. And, you know, it hurts. It hurts when you don't accept it. What's up, Lauren? What's up, Corey? What's up, Oscar? Who's Creighton? I don't know who Creighton is. Who the hell is Creighton C? Here said, I'm not a troll, I'm just random. If you say you're not a troll, that means you're a troll, man. Appreciate you letting me once again troll you, boss. Thank you, Clint. Clint, you're the boss, man. Let's be honest. You're the boss. Stretch a little bit here. Stretch the guns. Oh, where's Lord Mario? Lord Mario, if you're here yesterday, you asked how much I weigh. 195, man. I'm 6'1", 195. If you want to know the exact amount. But I don't know if that's true. I don't know. I don't know if 100% true, but when I weighed myself at 195. If you wanted to know. Which actually makes me kind of happy, actually. Yeah, I'm fucking with Creighton. I know who Creighton is. I'm just messing with him. I'll buy Cardano at 12 cents, where I sold after holding. Oh. Wait. After holding for years, and ADA is slow on all facets. Man, what I'll always say about crypto, man, it's not about what it can do. It's about what it... Well, it's not about what it can do now. It's about what people think it can do. It's about speculation. That's all it is. You guys are funny, man. Does the I like crypto guy still like it? Who? All right, guys. I'm just sitting here talking about nonsense. All right. Tomorrow, once again, I mean, we kind of said every day. I mean, the last 3 days have been pretty bloody, right? So just be prepared for anything tomorrow, man. I think that Bitcoin's going to get rejected again and comes lower. You do have some bullish divergence on the 1 hour, on the 4 hour. So, I mean, just be prepared for whatever, right? Just be prepared for whatever. I think if you're prepared for lower prices, it's not going to surprise you, right? So if Bitcoin goes to 29K, 28K, 27K tomorrow, 26K, who knows? If you already have it in your head, it's not going to matter, right? So think about it positively. Think about it as that only certain amount of people have ever bought in below the 200 EMA. Bitcoin's only been below the 200 EMA for 3 months in its entire lifespan. Right now, it's at 27K. So think about it that way. You're going to have the chance to buy down there. Not many people do, okay? With the same token, maybe Bitcoin gets a slight bounce. If you want to take profits, you want to take profits. If you think it's going to go lower after a bounce, you do you, right? If not, buckle up, right? So I'll catch you guys tomorrow. Don't panic, sell your crypto. Don't do anything I wouldn't do. And don't panic, sell your crypto. Great stream today, guys. Catch you guys at 9 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. If I don't catch you then, I'll catch you at 7. All right? Adios, fellas. Peace out. Have a good night. Holy shiza.